I'd like to invite you to follow us through the program of Global Bridge, Canada-India, where we help Canadian startups entering the Indian market.
India as a marketplace, because obviously there's 1.2 billion people here. Site to Site is a SaaS-based online platform for construction companies.
India is a really exciting and growing market in the field of sports, and we build and manufacture and wearable and software solutions that help athletes and coaches perform at their best.
Huge opportunity. Lots of Indian citizens are now traveling abroad, and of course there's a fair amount of tourism inbound into India. So in terms of market opportunity, it's absolutely massive for us.
So you have a lot of young, qualified talent, a lot of engineers that are coming out of these schools and they're just waiting to build something. And what we do is we help hardware businesses drastically accelerate their development.
From our initial research, believe that India could have the same opportunity for us. We know that we need to adapt our business model.
India, unfortunately, has 14 of the top 20 most polluted cities in the world. With our product, we're finally now looking at this market.
We design and manufacture underwater laser scanners.
Doing business in India for Indians is crazy difficult. I can't even imagine how difficult it should be for foreigners. As a ecosystem support, I think is hugely beneficial, especially for startups that are coming to India for the first time.
Few takeaways. One, this idea of focusing on a country. Second thing is it's actually much easier to work with and manage.
Canadian companies have been working for 2.5 months with T-Hub. Prior to the program, they were working on product localization and understanding what their business model assumptions are.
In no other accelerator program or support program have I witnessed the level of interaction that T-Hub was able to bring to us.
And through T-Hub's connections and leveraging some of the resources we've had here, we were able to get in communication with the chief of the police service. They've agreed to do a trial with us with our product, so we will be outfitting a number of members of the police with our mask.
Well, I have a meeting tomorrow in Chennai, which is at the National Institute of Ocean Technology with the chief scientist. We wouldn't have been able to make these contacts without the wonderful mentors and the program of T-Hub.
I think my best contribution was demystifying India for them.
The best part of the program has actually been the connections that we were given throughout it. So we've really been able to be connected to the right people here to actually be able to establish the type of partnerships that we want to.
To help make the right connections with the right people and make sure that we're most effectively using the time that we have here.
I think having an incubator like this, connecting with Canada, for us to launch into the Indian marketplace before this, we honestly had no idea how to even start or where to start.
T-Hub was extremely helpful in getting to the right person, identifying who we needed to talk to, the decision maker, and exactly that, it shortened the process by at least 6 to 8 months.
If you're looking to come to India, if you're looking at the Indian market at all, T-Hub comes highly recommended.